Welcome to Genix Flooring, where you can explore a variety range of hardwood, vinyl, laminate, tile, stone. We're not just about floors, we're about transforming your living space into a sanctuary of comfort and style. What sets us apart? It's simple. With over 50,000 satisfied customers and a team of over 100 experts, we've earned our reputation as the premier destination for top-quality flooring solutions. Our user-friendly website makes it effortless to explore our vast selection of flooring options, whether residential or commercial. From luxurious hardwood to durable vinyl and everything in between, finding the perfect floor for your space is just a click away. But it doesn't stop there. We understand that time is precious, which is why we offer fast and reliable shipping straight to your door. Say goodbye to long wait times and hello to enjoying your new floor sooner than you think. And what if your flooring doesn't meet your expectations? No worries. We stand behind our products with the best refund policy in the industry. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we'll do whatever it takes to make it right. But let's talk about the real benefits here. Walking barefoot on your new floor, feeling the warmth and elegance beneath your feet. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your floor is not only stylish but also durable enough to withstand everyday wear and tear. That's the Genix flooring difference, a perfect blend of beauty and functionality tailored to your lifestyle. So why wait? Elevate your space with Genix flooring today. Visit our website or give us a call, and let's make your dream floors reality. Don't settle for the ordinary. Choose extraordinary with Genix flooring.